As more people stay home to stay safe, police officers are doing the opposite, going out to keep people safe. Possible exposure to the virus is part of their daily routine.
CBS 13's Anna Giles is live in Placerville after talking with an officer about his new normal.
Yeah, and just this morning, that officer had to break up a fight over a bike at a time when social distancing is key. Placerville police, like many departments, are trying to respond to 911 calls over the phone as much as possible.
If you really need us, we're going to be there.
Officer Bruno Gottsmer walks us through his new routine. Start of shift, wipe down and sanitize everything he touches in the car. He takes it even further when it's time to go home.
I will wipe myself down, hand sanitizer, and sometimes even just take a shower before I really even interact with my family because of what's going on out here.
Out on the streets, it's all about avoiding human contact when possible. That's not easy for a police officer to do. He's not responding to 911 calls that don't have to be handled in person.
If it's a situation that's been handled or parties are separated, we'll kind of handle that by the phone. If it's a cold call where there's nothing going on and everything can handle over the phone, those are the kind of things we're doing.
Dispatchers are questioning 911 callers about any symptoms they have that could be coronavirus. Gottsmer keeps masks and hand sanitizer with him at all times. Recommendations from the governor and health officials have forced some businesses to close for now. Gottsmer says he's happy to do a security check. At the end of the day, his goal is to come home safe and keep his family safe.
I have two very small children at home, and so, I mean, my routine has changed a little bit. I'm coming home, I'm not bringing my uniform home, stuff like that, washing it away sometimes from the house.
Yeah, and officers all over the state are taking similar precautions. In Sacramento, they have goggles, they have gloves, they also have hand sanitizer. Officers are asking people to be patient. If you call 911, you might be questioned about symptoms you might have related to the coronavirus.
Good perspective, Anna. Thanks for that story. Yeah, you can't work from home as a police officer, that's for sure.